I wanted to tell you a bit of a story about how the Estilo on the Park project behind me here had come to life. I'm standing on top of Estilo on Kitty Hawk, one of our most thriving communities that we completed in 2018. We were looking at the site next door and we're always keen to replicate what we had achieved here at Estilo on Kitty Hawk at Estilo on the Park. But once Park House residences started in 2019, we thought that our plans would be severely limited by the shared access way that straddles across the adjacent site, which is now our site for Estilo on the Park. Guy Gardner and Daryl Vaughan sat down to look at a way that we could try and maintain the access from the shared access way for Estilo on Kitty Hawk and Park House and enable us to fully utilise the site in between. And we came up with what's commonly known in-house as the bridge. Whilst Park House was still being completed, we came in to build the driveway, which was effectively a bridge built on the ground with the expectation that we would come in, as we have over the last year, dig down underneath and then build 3 levels of basement whilst Park House residents were still able to access their apartment building over their driveway. Once we started on site, we had the conundrum there, we were going to have to build the level 1 slab over the top of this driveway, and we needed to maintain the access for the residents at Park House for the duration of the project. We couldn't just go building a slab over the top of the cars as they were coming in and out. So Nigel, Callan, myself, Ben, the site manager, and Jordan and our engineers looked at a way of building a bridge across that bridge, effectively creating a tunnel before we started digging. And then between us, we came up with the idea of actually forming a road over the site as an alternative access while we built the suspended slab that will be the level 1 podium slab over the top of the driveway, which is the situation we have now. So just as we did at Monterey, building over the Clem 7 tunnel with a lightweight CLT building, at Estilo we've been able to solve a problem to maximise the yield on a site that is exclusive to the skills, knowledge and expertise that we have in-house at Gardner Vaughan Group.